How to add your Magento website to Calcurates account. You can find the A Websites tab in the left menu, Basic Configuration section. There are 6 columns in the websites grid, which are filled after the addition of the website. Here you can add your website. You should enter a website name and website URL. Main origin must be assigned to the website. In the case of single origin shipping, it's just the assigned single origin of your website. In the case of multi-origin shipping, this origin will be used as a fallback origin with an origin selection algorithm. Calcurates provides you with an API key in order to connect your Magento 2 to Calcurates. You should copy this API key and go to your Magento account. Select the Stores tab in the left menu and tab of Configuration. In the Configuration section, select Sales drop-down and then tab Delivery Methods. Now move down until we see the section dedicated to Calcurates. In the Calcurates API token field, we should paste the previously copied key and save the new update. Return to Website Configuration and go Next. Now you should add your platform authorization token. It can be generated in the Magento account. Select the Systems tab in the left menu and tab Integrations. Add new integration. You can see 2 required fields here, name and your Magento admin password. Now go to the API section. Here you select the resources so that the Calcurates can access them. If you don't want to give access to everything, then you can mark only specific API resources listed in our user guide. Now save the created configuration. Return to the configuration page. Now we need to activate our new integration. Copy access token generated by your Magento. Go back to Calcurates and paste it here. Click on a Sync button, select a Magento website in the drop-down. Calcurates will get all necessary data from your Magento that will help you to configure shipping. Don't forget to save your website. Calcurates, the key element of cost-effective shipping. Stay tuned.